They all want to win tonight. My friend Aaron Burnett live in Des Moines. Aaron, it's cold. It's a brisk day, but a clear day. That snowstorm is going to hold off right until they get to the caucuses.
That's what they say. There's going to be a possible blizzard coming, an inch an hour, but it is going to come after midnight. So everyone should have a nice clear night to come out, and they don't anticipate it'll affect turnout. Months of speeches, and they are finally making their last pushes and now really focusing on turnout, making sure they have cars ready for people who need to be driven to caucus sites. I mean, it gets down to this granular level of detail. 10 hours from now, everyone going to be going into caucus. Once the votes are cast, that blizzard is going to sweep across much of the state here. And blizzard, of course, means lots of winds, too. So if that had come hours earlier, it could really have changed this entire situation that we're seeing here.